What happens if you accidentally put diesel into your gasoline car? This mistake can cause serious engine problems, but only if you don't act quickly. Understanding how diesel affects a gas engine and knowing the right steps to take can save you from costly repairs. In this video, we'll explain what goes wrong and exactly what you should do immediately after this mix-up. How people accidentally add diesel to gas cars. It happens fast. People grab the wrong nozzle without noticing. Diesel pumps are often right beside gas ones, and if you're distracted, it's easy to make the mistake. Even though diesel nozzles are larger and usually labeled, some still manage to fit them into gas tanks with enough force or angle. Why gasoline and diesel are so different? Diesel is thick and oily, while gasoline is light and flammable. Gasoline engines use spark plugs to ignite fuel, but diesel engines rely on pressure. These fuels work in completely different ways, so using the wrong one confuses the engine system and can lead to serious damage very quickly if ignored. What diesel does inside a gasoline engine. Diesel struggles to flow through a gas engine. It clogs the fuel filter and injectors, blocking normal function. The engine may start briefly, running on leftover gas. But soon the engine chokes and seizes. Diesel's thickness and low flammability make it completely unsuitable for gasoline-powered engine parts and fuel systems. Dangers of starting the engine after misfueling. Starting the engine after adding diesel spreads it throughout the system. It reaches parts like the fuel pump and injectors, causing deep contamination. The more you drive, the worse the damage gets. What starts as a small error can quickly lead to expensive repair or even permanent engine failure. Why you should never try to drive it off. Some people think driving will burn off the diesel, but that only spreads the problem. Diesel won't burn correctly in a gasoline engine. Instead, it causes misfires, blockages, and failure. Turning on the car forces diesel into parts it never should reach, making repair work harder and much more expensive. First step, turn nothing on and call a tow. The most important thing is to not turn on your car. If the key hasn't been turned, you're in luck. Call for a tow truck and have it taken to a repair shop. This simple decision can save your fuel system, engine, and your wallet from serious long-term problems. 2 ways. Mechanics drain the diesel out. If your gas tank has a drain plug, the process is easier. The tank is emptied and flushed multiple times. If not, the entire tank is removed and cleaned separately. Both methods make sure all the diesel is gone before fresh gasoline is added back into your vehicle safely. Cost of fixing it early versus later. If caught early, you'll pay for a tow and fuel tank drain, usually between $200 to $500. But if diesel reaches your engine, repairs can cost thousands. Replacing parts like the catalytic converter or fuel pump makes it a much bigger problem. The sooner you act, the more money you save. What insurance and roadside help may cover. Most car insurance policies don't pay for fuel mistakes, but some roadside assistance programs do. Plans like 2OA may cover towing and even fuel draining. Always check your benefits. A small yearly membership might be the safety net that saves you from paying out of pocket when accidents like this happen. Tips to prevent this mistake again. Stay focused at the pump. Read the labels, check the nozzle color, and confirm the fuel type every time. If you drive both gas and diesel vehicles, double-check before fueling. Taking just a few extra seconds helps avoid a mistake that could lead to serious engine damage and big bills. Act fast, don't start the car, and get it towed. Quick action saves your engine and your wallet. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more car-saving tips. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and drive smart.